Hello and welcome back to Lucas Wood and Art, part 3 of the chicken door opener. If you haven't done so, please subscribe, like and comment. That'd be appreciated. So I've set it up just to make sure all the parts work. I got the battery from Walmart. It's a 230 CCA cold cranking amps. I believe it's a lawnmower battery. I've set it up so it's connected to the timer, and the timer is connected to the antenna. I'm using a clamp just to hold the antenna upright and steady. Now the wiring is pretty straightforward, and we'll talk about wiring in the next video. I also got some terminal connectors from Harbor Freight just to connect all the wires together. Here's a different angle of the same setup. It's a better angle. As you can see, the clamp is holding the antenna steady and upright. So that's the timer. I've set it up with two timings, one for it to go on and another one for it to go off. So any second now it should automatically turn on, and the light on the timer should go red. There it goes, and it's fully extended. When it hits the second timing, the light on the timer should go off and the antenna should retract back automatically. There it goes, the light is off and the antenna retracts back. Here's a different angle of the same setup. So the antenna is extended and it will retract back by itself. There it goes. Thanks all for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.